Hey, I'm Michael,
Hey, I'm Pablo.
and we are the co-founders of P&M Prints.
Prints.
Now we decided to start this channel because we saw a giant gap in the 3D printing educational space. A lot of the videos were very helpful, but they lacked one big key factor. They weren't entertaining to watch. And so in this channel, we want to make edutainment content where we educate you about 3D printing, but we also entertain you with different challenges. Now don't worry if you're brand new to 3D printing, or maybe you've never heard of 3D printing, or maybe you're a seasoned veteran. Whatever it is, or whoever you are, this channel will be for you. This channel is made for anyone and everyone. Even if you don't have a 3D printer, hopefully the entertaining side of 3D printing will hook you into 3D printing and convince you to buy a 3D printer. And hopefully if you're a veteran, you can learn maybe a couple little things. And especially if you're a beginner, you're gonna learn a lot in this channel.
So, as Michael was just saying, we're gonna have some really cool videos that we plan on uploading. So we're still gonna have videos like tutorial, but like edutainment still. So an idea we have coming up is like how to prototype, which we're just trying to add humor to it, but we'll end up still teaching you how to do prototyping for 3D modeling and how to use that for 3D printing. But we're also gonna have more entertainment focused videos that still have an educational goal. And one of those ideas that we have is to make challenges, which Michael touched upon it a little bit, but I would like to expand. And basically what we're doing is just a 1v1 where we try and design something, where each design something every week and we show it to like our family members and our friends and see who wins. And in it, we'll show our process and our thinking process of how we made it.
Now another thing I really want to emphasize is that right now we're currently working on a big website project. We can't really talk much about it, but I'm gonna give you guys some teasers. First of all, it's gonna be like a lot of other 3D printing websites that YouTubers make, except it's gonna be a little different because it's gonna have all of the things of our brand and our company in there. Like all of the products we make, all of the designs we do in a video, for example, like in a challenge video, for example, if we make a really cool machine that you guys really want and is really niche and like it would take a really long time for you to design it, so there's no point in designing it, we would just give it to you guys on that website. I can't really talk much about it, but hopefully you're pretty excited about that as well.
So as Michael touched upon, our goal is really just to edutain you guys. And I think that's just the best way of putting it. If you scroll through YouTube, any 3D printing content will be incredibly useful, but it's just boring. And that's gonna be our niche, sort of. That's gonna be what we specialize in. We specialize in making videos that you sit down for fun while maybe you're eating or something, but you still end up learning something. And I think that's probably one of the more interesting types of videos that we could film, because I think it just helps us show our creative expression, and it'll just help us build a community that's centered on something cool and educational while still remaining fun and not really like incredibly nerdy.
Now I would really love to thank you guys for watching to the end. If you guys are really still watching at this point, that means this channel is really gonna entertain you guys and you guys are really gonna love this channel, and it's just for you. No matter who you are, no matter what stage in the 3D printing journey you are, maybe you don't even have a 3D printer, this channel, I wanna emphasize, is gonna be for everyone and anyone. We just want to have a good time. Whenever you pull up our videos and you watch every single week on Monday, 3 o'clock p.m., I just want you to have a great time and just enjoy your time watching our videos and actually learning something, or maybe even if you don't learn anything, just staying entertained and having a good time. That's what this channel is gonna be all about. And we just wanna show you guys our journey because we're pretty young and we're starting a 3D printing company at a very young age. And we just wanna show you guys what that's like and how we innovate in 3D printing, how we do all these different things in 3D printing. And we just wanna give all our knowledge that we have learned and acquire as we do this channel out to you guys for free, completely free.
I'm really glad you guys were able to watch this video today. And if you want to continue supporting us, watch our video that comes out next week. Thank you, and I'll see you there.